The most delicious, high-protein Korean popcorn chicken with sweet and sticky rice for under 500 calories and 50 grams of protein. It's super easy to make and perfect for meal prep too. Dice your chicken breast into cubes and add black pepper, soy sauce, 1 egg, and mix well with your hands till fully coated. Now to a large container add corn flour, your diced chicken breast, then seal the lid and shake well till the chicken is fully coated. Then set it on a rack, give it a spray, and bake or air fry with these settings. They should come out just like this. For the Korean glaze, add soy sauce, water, ketchup, gochujang chili paste, rice vinegar, honey, and brown stevia. Stir till it thickens and add your crispy popcorn chicken. Toss it together to fully coat, then divide it up into 4 equal servings along with your sticky rice. If you love McDonald's but you're trying to lose weight, these crispy chicken nuggets pack over double the protein of what you get in the restaurant for a fraction of the calories. And they're so easy to make. To your lean ground chicken, add these seasonings, 1 large egg, parmesan, then mix it up well, wet your hands and shape out 20 equal nuggets. Now place those in the freezer for 20 minutes to firm up. In a new bowl, add plain flour, the same seasonings as before, baking powder, mix that all up, then dunk the nuggets in the egg, followed by the flour mixture, and roll them around till they're fully coated. Give them a spray and bake or air fry with these settings. They should come out just like this. Now just serve them up with your favorite sauce, and enjoy. These crispy chicken nuggets pack over double the... If you're trying to build muscle, this creamy garlic beef pasta packs over 1,000 calories per serving with 71 grams of protein. Comes together in less than 30 minutes and it's perfect for meal prep too. Start by cooking 300 grams of pasta shells and make sure to save a little bit of that water for later. Now oil up a hot pan and add 800 grams of 15% ground beef. Let it get a crispy sear, then break it up and add these seasonings. Mix that all together, then set the beef aside and add 1 medium chopped onion, diced garlic, stir till fragrant, then add in tomato sauce, 200 ml of beef stock, double cream, and some Italian herbs. Give that a good stir, then simmer for 5 minutes. Now add in your beef, your cooked pasta, and the water from earlier. Give everything one final mix till beautifully rich and creamy, then box into 4 equal servings, garnish, and enjoy. If you're trying to build muscle, this creamy garlic beef pasta
You're nothing but an egg.